Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dorible, how to create a website for your language learning and translation business on Dorible isn't quick. So first type Dorible on the search. As we know, Dorible website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. Also, we know that this website can build it in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in. Now create your new business. Now enter your business name and select your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. Now first, let's go to the first section. This is the header of the website. You can change the site name here and you can turn this on and upload a file from here. If you want to change the label, this, if you want also to add a link, and here you can manage your social link settings. You can add a channel and select the type of the social link, and here add your link. So let's save this. If you want to add a section from here, now select any section you want, just like that, and let's move to the next section. The next section, this is the banner of the website. If you want to change this, just regenerate and it will be regenerated. So if you don't like the subtext, you can also generate it. If you don't like the label, you can change it here or add a new label. If you want to add a link, and here you can open link a new page. So let's save this. The next section is the image of the website. If you don't like it, you can regenerate the image. Also here you can manage your image position. You can save this, and let's move on to the next section. The next section, the text of the website, we can regenerate it. You can edit the type of the writing. So let's save this. Let's move on to the next section. This is the list of the website. You can change this, and you can manage your display settings. Choose what will be displayed for each list item. You can manage your list items, and you can add a list item, and here you can generate image. Select the image you would like to display. If you want to manage the image position from here, and here you can generate a title. If you want to generate a content, and here you can add a label and add a link. So let's save this, and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the testimonials section. If you want to add testimonials, you can generate a code. You can also generate by who, and you can upload image or file. So let's save this, and let's move on to the next section. This is the gallery of the website. If you want to change this, also here, if you want to generate image, you can also upload image from browser, just here. Let's pick some image from Google. Now for example, I'm gonna choose this. Now just put it here and it will be uploaded. If you want to choose picture from here. For example, um, I'm gonna choose this. Let's save it and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the location of the website. You can change this. You can change your business address and you can add additional text files. You can add the title or the content. So that's it. The next section is the contact form section of the website. You can regenerate this and you can manage files. You can custom input label, just turn this on and you can manage this settings. And here you can generate the form success message like this. So let's save this and let's move on to the last section. This is the footer of the website. If you want to change the business name from here, and here you can turn this on and upload the file. And if you want to add additional details, here if you want to turn this on and add a label or add a link. So if you want to manage your social link settings, if you want to add a channel, so that's it. Here you can add a link and select the type of the social link. So let's save this and let's move on. If you want to regenerate any content of the section, just select the content. If you want to regenerate the style, you can regenerate it. Just select the style. And also, if you don't like the entire section, you can regenerate it. Just select entire section. If you want to duplicate the section, click here and it will be duplicated like this. If you want to delete this section from here, delete. If you want to move it up or move it down, so that's it. Let's save this and wait a few seconds to publish your website. Now you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you and thanks for watching until the end and see you in the next video.